Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 17 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
It's going pretty good, yes.
Okay, so how much total weight loss as of week 17 right now?
31 pounds.
So right, so there was I think some weight gain last week, right? Maybe 1 pound,
Yeah.
1 pound or something like
Yeah,
that.
last week.
But at this point we are not concerned too much about lose weight, right? Because it's just a matter of time for you. And you will reach your final goal for sure, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we are just focusing more on make some adjustments to the body, right? And that's why on purpose we started to slow down on weight
Yes.
gains, right? But overall, how do you feel like? Do you have any health concerns right now? Do you feel good? Do you feel it very challenging to continue losing weight in the future?
No, not at all. This has been like a nice whole learning experience, and it's the kind of thing that I can see myself doing from here on in. It's already, my brain is working in such a way that I have all these little tools I can choose from, and right now these two tools have to sit on the shelf for a little
Correct.
while, but
That's
I
right.
still have these two, and I can implement them
That's
into my everyday life, and later on down the road I can
That's right.
work them all together.
And that's why like we were just not focused, like we were not focusing on specific diet or specific protocol we have to
Mhm.
follow. Like we learn about number of tools or approaches, and we can select use which tool at what
That's
time,
right.
And this is what makes this program unique, right?
Absolutely,
Right.
yeah.
But let's say a few months from today or a few years from today in the future, do you think you will be in control and you can control your weight the way you think?
Oh yes, absolutely. I have a certain goal in my head, even
Yeah.
long term, and I have no doubt that I'll make it there. This is the first time I felt that way too, to be
Yeah.
honest.
That's really good. Perfect. Okay, so I look forward to have a follow-up interview next week, and we'll see where we'll get.
Okay,
Yes, thanks so much.
sounds good.